everyone, and welcome to Say It With Science. Today, we're going to be talking about space. Did you know in 1604, Johannes Kepler observed the last known supernova in the Milky Way? A supernova is an explosion of a star that can be seen in multiple galaxies. There are two different types of supernovas. The first happens in a binary star system. That's where two stars orbit each other, and one of those stars steals matter from the other. Eventually, that first star will accumulate too much matter and explode. The second type of supernova happens at the end of a single star's lifetime. Join me today in learning the physics behind how we get to space with this fun and exciting experiment. Thank you for joining us on Say It With Science. Don't forget to check out our STEAM kits available at all 5 libraries, or join us for one of our fun programs. For more information on what is going on at the Plano Public Library, visit planolibrary.org. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you!